Welcome once again to Turito. Do like, subscribe and share the video, the channel. Okay, so that you can keep getting these questions. Those questions will really be very important for you, really be helpful for your upcoming JEE Mains and advanced paper, that I can definitely assure you all. Okay, so moving to the next question. That was the next question which you would have got as a post. See, the integral is integral of x raised power 4 minus 1. So integral, we have to integrate this, which is x raised power 4 minus 1 divided by x square into root of x raised power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. Okay, now normally the first thing, let me tell you frankly, the first thing I tried was taking x square common from it, but then that gave us x cube here. When I took it to the numerator, it gave us x minus 1 by x cube. So that was one form we can try. I tried also and we got the answer also. I got the answer also. But the other thing which again I tried was x plus 1 by x form. Okay, the same method which we used in the previous question, last video's question, you remember that? Okay, x plus 1 by x form. So I tried that one also, but that didn't work. Okay, so for that what I did, I again just took x square to the numerator and it gave us x square minus 1 by x square. I just factorized it and then I tried to get it in that form. In the previous question form, I didn't get it. Okay, so now what I will say is, I just took out from here x square. So okay, so take it out. So x is power 4 minus 1. When you take x square common from x root, square root, you get x out of it. So you get x cube, and within square root we have x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, now see again, method of substitution. I had been saying this again and again. Method of substitution is one single most important, most powerful tool in indefinite integration. Okay, so that's what I was working on it when I solved this question. Okay, I was thinking on it. Okay, so to get something in the denominator so that we get its numerator in the its derivative in the numerator. So when you take x cube to the numerator, you get x minus 1 by x cube over square root of x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Now, method of substitution says replace some function by a new variable such that its derivative is we get along with dx. Okay, so now if I replace, all of you can guess it easily, I believe. If I replace this by t, now tell me what are we going to get as its derivative? So it will be 2x minus 2 by x cube. Didn't we get it, bacho? So that is dt. So take 2 common. So x minus 1 by x cube dx is dt by 2. So therefore our integral is half dt over root of t plus 1, if I am not wrong. Isn't that, bacho? Yeah, and that's the direct integral. So this is nothing but half times integral of t plus 1 raised to the power minus half dt, and we know the integral is n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So it will be half times root of t plus 1 over half. So this half and that half gets cancelled. So this is nothing but root of x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus c. That should be the answer. So if you people have got it, that's really appreciable here. It was though a simple question, but converting it to that form and that having faith on that form method, the method of substitution is a key here. Okay, so that was the second question of the day.